Autoklinikka is the leading damage repair chain in Finland. Annually, we repair over 100,000 dented cars. Our aim is to offer our customers sustainable, effortless, high-quality service experience by using the latest technology in all stages of the damage repair process. In our paint shops, we have chosen PPG as our partner.
PPG is one of the leading global suppliers of OEM finishes for the car manufacturers and the car repair industry. I think we share the same philosophy with Autoklinikka. Efficient processes, high quality and great service leads to satisfied customers. Our software enables the user to choose between more than 70,000 different digital color chips. This means that there's a lot less need for manual spray out cards and less paint materials needed for the benefit of the environment. When using the Moonwalk automated mixing machine, the paint shop can save up to 9% paint material. The machine is a lot more accurate than humans, so the paint shop gets the color right first time. Moreover, it captures all information digitally, so it can easily be shared and stored.
Thanks to technology provided by PPG, we have been able to minimize paint waste, speed up the painting process, and further improve quality of paintwork.
It's all about collaboration, and we see great value in working closely together with Autoklinikka. Not only can our technicians educate and provide support, but they also get to see our products and technologies at work, so they get valuable first-hand feedback from the users.
For us, the main focus has always been and will always be high quality and happy customer. At the same time, we are always evolving, considering new digital tools to enhance our processes.
Innovation never stops. We continuously put a lot of effort into offering trainings, new tools and devices like the Moonwalk mixing machine and other digital advancements. So I think it's safe to say that the future for the partnership between PPG and Autoklinikka is looking both bright and green.